So what we are going to receive, what exactly the mean of theme development? See, theme means like, if you see here, we have our WordPress website is there, and this is the website, and this theme I don't like. I need the website to be same, but or pages to be same, but I want theme or design to be changed. So for that, what I'm going to do, I need one basic HTML. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, I'm Ranjan. Okay. Okay. You're looking for online training for what? For web designing or PHP or what subject? Right. Okay. Okay. HTML5. Okay, so that all comes under this all comes under UI. Okay. So you want the UI. Okay. Can I have your email ID, please? Okay. You are there in the WhatsApp. Oh, yeah. WhatsApp. So daily how many hours? What time? 8 o'clock. 8 to 10 available. Okay, that's fine. 8 to 10 I will take. Okay. And weekend can you? 8:30 to 10:30 is not possible. It is okay. Okay. Can you go in like we can go 8:30 to 9:30, 1 hour I will take. And after that, are you available? What time? Morning is not possible. Like 7:30 also we can start. Otherwise you sit morning. Actually, why I'm trying to I'm moving from home to office. So this 9 o'clock to 10:30 will be the office weekend time and moving time. Because so is that okay? If not okay, then we can one more way to reach 10:30. 10:30 is not okay. 10:30 is like 2 hours or 3 hours. 10:30 to 11:30, 12:30, 1 o'clock, 10:30 to 1 o'clock, or 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, that is also possible. 10 to what time? Okay, that's fine. 10 to 12 I okay, that's fine. Sometime I will be late to maybe 10 minutes. All details I'm going to email you to the email. Can you tell me your email? Okay. Hello. Yeah, you can attend a demo class and discuss all those because I'm middle of the class. I cannot. Okay. Okay. Is it possible to do a demo class anytime as per your convenience? Yeah, yeah, that's fine. So let us call you tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow, 10 o'clock. Or is it okay? Demo will sit 8 o'clock. Demo class? Yeah, just call me 8 o'clock on this number, same number, the number you call. You call me morning. Yeah, yeah, I'm just going to check just 1 minute. Have you sent me the in the WhatsApp? Okay, fine, fine. Send me your email ID, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm starting here. So we need one HTML website to work on WordPress theme. Okay, so I will show you the theme. I have one already. I have one here. HTML website is ready with me. So if you go here in the, if you see here, I have here. Let me show you. I'm just opening Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver. So if you see here in CSS, we have a couple of images are there. So see here couple of images. Actually, I changed the path of our file here. So accordingly, I have to change here also. But let me go and see how our design will look like. I'll show you the design of my the HTML. Okay, so this is the design, and because of image path got changed, so I'm changing here. So let me show you here how it will look like. So you can see here only this drop down menu is not coming. So for drop down we have one more CSS is there here. If you see, so here image is not there. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now if you see, I just changed the path of the hour. So now you can see how it will look like. So this is basically our HTML. This is basically our HTML website. Okay, and this website we are going to convert into our WordPress. Okay, so let me go and convert now. So now I'm going and I'm going to convert here, because basic setup of our my links and website is done here. You can see here date are coming. These are the logo, and here we have banner images there. Couple of text, couple of box are there, and these are the links are there, and this is going to be the footer of our website. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set these all as per our requirement. Okay, so this is the one folder, and here we have our yeah, I'm going to send you know that. Okay, so this is the one folder. Here our theme is there, and this is our folder. And you can, if you go to WP content and theme, what theme we are using. Let me go to our here and see what theme we are using. So I can see here I'm using here appearance theme, and you can see here I'm using 2017. Okay, so this is the 2017. Okay, and here is the our header, and this is the footer. So we have two important files are there. This is the header which I am changing here. So before working with this one, what I'm doing here, I'm just taking the backup of my header and footer, because I need to modify this page. So header and footer, I'm just taking the backup here, and this header page I'm opening, and I'm opening the footer page here. So two pages I open. Now in header page, if you see, couple of HTML code and couple of this dynamic variables and couple of things are coming. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to delete everything, and if you see our HTML, this is basically our HTML is there. This HTML. So again, if you see here, couple of sections are there which I'm going to open here. So let me open this in Dreamweaver. So a couple of sections are there, like we have here bodies there. Okay, let me. Okay, so now you can see here couple of sections are there, like date is there. Let me first copy the date, and this is the header, and this is the navigation. Okay, so So what you observe here, we have two folder, and in this folder, uh, images and all, where it is, I need to check it, because I cannot see here images folder. So that I will check it later. Before that, this 3 div I'm going to copy to my header, and even though this body section also I'm copying. So body section is there, and apart from the body section we have container is also there. So container is also I'm going to, and this container again we are going to close later. So let me go here, and how our page will look like. It will look something like that. Okay, and what I'm going to do here, header is there, footer is there, all those are there. That I'm going to check. These all data are there. Data also I will look into this. Okay, but I can see here couple of things are coming here, and okay, so this is our header basically, but header we are calling here, and here our main data are coming. Okay, so basically what we have to do, let me open the front page here. Basically here we have front page, means whatever the home page data are there, that we are getting here. Okay, so instead of putting everything there, I am just putting here. So I'm going to cut from here. This data I'm going to cut from here, cut here, and I'm going to place here on our, in this page. Okay, so now if you see, so our header is there. You can see here, basically here we are calling the header. Basically here we are calling the header, and here we are calling the footer. Here we are calling the footer. Okay, so we'll do one thing. The data is not reflecting. Huh? Mail किए? Just 1 minute. I need to. So I'm just trying to change the CSS and images here. Okay, and if you see here, I send. Can you check it? Yeah. Check and call back for me. So actually here, what is happening? I can see still after deleting the data also is coming. So let me go and see here. Basically 2016 template. Okay, fine. CSS. Veda. Okay. Veda. Okay. Images. Okay. All right. So now, 2017, we are working out, and what we understand here, we have here header is there. Header data is coming from here. Footer data is coming from here. Page data is coming from here. Okay. So couple of set of data are there. Okay. So what we are going to do, those data, I'm going to modify it. So let me go and modify here. This one I am going to comment because I need my own. So that's the reason I'm just removing this footer. See here, those links are reflecting home, about us, but still we cannot see the CSS. Okay, the reason is this CSS, whatever our CSS are there. Let me go and copy this CSS. I'm going to copy, and let me see where is our CSS here. If we go here to style, okay, so this is the style. So this one I am opening. I am deleting everything CSS. I am deleting from here to till end. I am deleting. So let me go and delete here. From here to, or better, what I can do, we need this code. Okay, so this code I'm going to copy and paste here, and then I will delete everything, and then again I will copy this one and place here because we need this. And then we have here this CSS. The CSS I'm going to put here, and again we have one more CSS. The CSS also I'm going to put here. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है, फिर 20 मिनट्स वो लोग भी आ रहा है, 3 बजे के आसपास आता है वो लोग. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to refresh here. First of all, I need to see whether my CSS is reflecting or not, because I can see here CSS is not reflecting. Container CSS and all, whatever CSS we have written, it is not reflecting. So let me go and save here. Container is there here. Container, okay. Okay, so CSS we already put here. If you see here, we have opened the style.css and I put the CSS here. Now, if you go and reload it, and we will try to see whether that CSS are coming or not. Uh, CSS are still not coming, and let me go to other browser because sometime it will happen. The data will not be coming because of cache. That's what I'm trying to view source. Okay, actually we are not calling here. Okay, we need to call the CSS. Okay, so path is not there. Yes. So let me go and see the path. Like how we have in HTML, we have those paths are there. So if you go to our here, okay. So I'm writing like this, but once again I will view source here. Now you can see here this path is not exactly correct. Like you can see page not found is coming here. Okay. So why it's not coming? Because our WordPress will not read the path like that. Okay. So what we have to do, I'm going back and we have here notes is there. You can see theme development. Okay. Maybe you can follow these notes which I already shared with you. And how we are going to call the our CSS and our this one you can see like this. So this is basically dynamic path is coming here. So this dynamic path I am calling here. So dynamically this data will come CSS. Similar way our JavaScript is also there. Basically I'm not sure whether we are calling JavaScript or not, and whether the CSS are coming or not. Let me see here. Basically this one this JavaScript, CSS and images we have to copy from our HTML to our theme folder. So I'm copying here, and once again if I refresh here, so now I can see that the path looks correct. You can see all the code are reflecting here, and if path will not be correct, we cannot access here. Now till here it looks okay. I can see path of our JavaScript also looks correct. I can see JavaScript files are running here, and favicon and all we can give later, but at least my JavaScript and my CSS is coming perfect. Now you can see here it started, like how our HTML is reflecting here. Let me go and put here. So this is our HTML. Similar way we need our WordPress as well. So background is coming, and here this is coming, and now what I will do from here, so tail navigation I put here, tail navigation, and then this div I'm going to put, this div I'm going to put. this div. So till after that, I'm going to put this one as well.
The person you have called is speaking to someone else.
So let me see how it will look like. So I can see here this is coming, but here one image are there. Image is not coming. Why image is not coming? If you see here this image, and again we have this image is there. Here also path is not correct. So like how we are calling our data, if you remember, this is the dynamic variable to point our template. Okay, so in the similar way, I'm using here as well as here. And once you go and refresh the page, okay, it's not coming. Let me see the path how it will go. Still not coming. I don't know whether I have saved the file or not. Okay, I can see now it is coming here, and I'm just trying to compare till here is coming perfect. Here date is also coming, and after that, now further what we have here is this dynamic contents are coming. So for that,
आपने जिस व्यक्ति को कॉल किया है वह अभी दूसरी कॉल पे व्यस्त है। कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें या कुछ समय बाद कॉल करें।
okay, so actually I forgot to take the backup of front page.php because I wanted to get one variable.
The person you have called is speaking to someone.
ऐसे रुचि कर रहे हैं ना नवीन, ऐसे रुचि ना ट्रेनिंग एंड सर्विसेज का दो बैनर होना, ट्रेनिंग बना रहे हैं ना, अलग डिजाइन बना रहे हैं ना। ओके okay, so let me go and run this one whether and how it's working. So once I will go here, okay, this variable I'm not going to use because okay, so till here dynamic content, should start from here. Dynamic content. Okay, so let me go and take this one. These all I'm going to make dynamic because this content should be basically dynamic. But static wise, once it is come, then I will go and I will make it. And again, we have this dynamic variable we have to get. So here we don't have any image. Okay, here a couple of images are there. So this image path I'm setting. Okay, so how it will look like? Let me see. I can see this. This is also working fine, and this data and everything is coming perfect. Now only one concern here is we need to make this content and everything should be dynamic. Okay, so this dynamic content we have to create it. So how we are going to create dynamic content?
The person you have called is speaking to someone else.
Okay, so for that we have let me go and put the content here. Let me go here. So we have a couple of variables are there. If you see here site content, this is the variable. I need to put it here. And okay, so if you see here, like we have couple of variables are there for menu and for our footer and all. So if you see here, we have here social. We have here. Let me go to some other folder to get those variable name. Thumbnail is there. I'm just going to some other folder because I didn't take the backup of that variable. Yeah, so this is the one I was talking about. This is the one I was talking about. Uh, we have menu here. So basically, we need the dynamic menu. So for that, I'm just trying to call this one.
You can wait or call again later.
So if you see here, like I'm just trying to make this dynamic variable for this one. So this is the whole variable. So let me go and call this one, and let me view source that actually that data is not reflecting for our menu. So I need to check it. Okay, so here some problem is coming. I need to check it. So let me. It will take one more class to finish it up. This one. Okay, so I will continue this one in the next class. Okay, I will stop here now. Okay, and we'll continue it from here tomorrow same time. Okay. I think today we started. I think 150. Okay, we'll make the timing 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is okay for you? Okay, fine, fine then. Okay, let us meet 2 p.m. You can use same ID. Okay.